G'day all, we're about to make sourdough from our Mad Millie kit. I did the unboxing for it, I'll link it up there. But we've got all the ingredients we need now, including the coffee to get me through making it. So let's see how it goes. So we've got everything that we need here. We've got our kit, we need a teaspoon measure, 750 ml of warm water at 30 degrees, and our flour, and that's proper, I had it the wrong way around, bread making flour. I believe it's because it needs extra protein in it. So following the instructions carefully, add all the dry ingredients into the bowl and mix well. Now it says I keep saying now, 960 grams of flour, which in Curmudgeon terms is 1 kilo. So in that goes, like our new bowls, pick them up at the same place as the Mad Millie kit. So going out on special. Going back to our ingredients, we need 2 to 3 teaspoons of artisan salt. We have our special artisan salt. Don't know how it's special, but there you go. Now I don't know whether it's better with 2 or 3 teaspoons, but guess what? We'll do 2.5. That's 1, 2.5. Right in the middle of the amount of salt it says to use. And we'll increase or decrease that after we've tasted it. We need our Mad Millie sourdough culture. Opening that up, and it comes with a little card inside that says how to make sourdough. Probably the same, I would expect. So we'll open this up. Getting a lot of use out of these little tender scissors. In it goes. And we go back to our instructions. Mix all the dry ingredients in the bowl. Alright, let's mix all that flour through. Okay, we've mixed the salt, flour, and starter together. Now we make a well in the middle, it says. Well. And pour the warm water into it. If you want some sourdough, mix to a soft sticky dough with your Mad Millie weird thing. Oh, it certainly looks sticky. We're going to have a change of staff here. There you go. Curmudgeon camera person makes a cameo. Wants to mix the sourdough.
Smells like great.
Funny about that.
It's hard.
Make sure you get all the flour at the bottom. Well, it's certainly sticky. It comes off easily. Probably would have been easier if we made the 1 loaf, but that's a waste of starter culture. You still use 1 packet in the, if you're making 1 loaf. So might as well make the 2. Okay, that looks like it's all mixed through. Doesn't it? That look good to you?
Yeah.
Right, what's the next step? Cover the bowl loosely with a damp, clean muslin cloth. Let rise in a warm place above 20 degrees for 24 hours. Right, let's get our muslin cloth, dampen it. Now, I made the mistake of cutting this stuff to size before, and I'm not going to do it this time. Double it over, just like that, and pop it in a nice warm place, which is pretty much anywhere. There we go. So we'll pack this lot up and we'll come back tomorrow. Stay tuned. Okay. This is a sourdough. About 5 hours, I think, of brewing. Rising up nicely. Right, we're now 24 hours in. I think that'll probably do it. I'll leave it for a little bit longer. We'll go to our next stage. We're now up to stage 5, where we tip the dough onto a well-floured surface. Okay, we take it out with our scraper, remove all the dough from the bowl. With wet hands, fold the outside edges inwards. So let's see how we go with that. Isn't that looking good? So, using our dough scraper. We've got just about all of it out. With wet hands, we bring it into the centre. It's stuck. Right, I should have spread the flour out more. Not to worry. You'll lose a little bit of it doing this. I haven't done this well at all.
So we just pick the whole thing up and lift it up.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. Ready? Lift up that side.
Yeah.
You want better? Yeah?
Yeah.
All okay with that.
Let's try that out. Alright. So we learned a lesson from that, which is give yourself a big area, properly flour it, and then squeeze it into the middle. So this has now got to sit for another hour. We'll shake all that extra flour off. Sorry, I think it sits for 2 hours. Okay, that sits for 2 hours for its second brewing, leavening, whatever they call it. And we'll come back and get it ready for cooking. Slight change of plan. I've heated this up, as you can hear. This makes a much better container for it. We'll lightly flour the bottom. And we need to get it from here into there. So, in we go. And that came out quite nicely. Now we cover it, and this is the reason I use this pan. So that's now covered. We popped it in the oven, and we're going to cook it with the lid on 25 minutes, and then remove the lid and bake for a further 18 minutes or until golden brown. So there we go. First 25 minutes is done. We'll now get it out, take the cover off. So let's have a look. There it goes. Oh, that's come up nicely. Now that needs to go back in for another 18 minutes, it says. I reckon that's the right size pan. Looking good. 18 minutes to go. Timers have gone off. Let's get it out and see what it looks like. Well, here we are. It's cooled enough for us to try. So we shall cut some. Sounds good. Smells good. We're using butter, of course, but it's rock hard. Alright, we'll try it without butter first. Some for the camera person. chewy. What do you think?
Yum.
Nice, isn't it? That's really good. Lovely crusty bread. So there it is. Rather nice. Cut some more and we shall enjoy some very fresh sourdough. I recommend this kit. As I said, a little pricey, but certainly seems to do the job. Now we've got to play around with getting our own culture going that we keep on the go. So a bit of research to do on sourdough baking, but that's a good start. Enjoy life. Catch you in the kitchen.